Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on this episode of the Scran Line, well, I've made a cupcake called Orange Monkey because I heard someone call Donald Trump an orange monkey once. And here's a cupcake called Orange Monkey. This is how you make them. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with our cupcake. So pop your flour, sugar, salt and baking powder into a large mixing bowl. Mix that on low speed until everything is well combined. Then you want to add your softened butter and mix that until you reach a crumbly, sand-like texture. Then you're going to add orange juice instead of milk, some eggs, orange essence, oil, some orange food gel, and mix until everything is really well combined. Then you want to stop and scrape down the bowl just to make sure everything is mixed in properly, and mix for a final 20 seconds. Now we're going to scoop our batter into our cupcake liners, filling them up about 3/4 of the way. You want to bake these for about 40 minutes and let them cool down completely. Into a large bowl, I've got my Swiss meringue buttercream frosting. I'm going to add some orange essence to that and some orange food gel, and mix that until everything is really well combined. Now our cupcake's baked beautifully. We're going to core the center and fill it up with some chocolate sauce, and we're going to frost in a swirl using a Wilton 1M tip, and finish off with some orange sprinkles. And guys, that is pretty much it. Okay guys, so those were my orange monkey cupcakes. You can feel free to let me know what you think in the comments. You're going to find the recipe for these on my website, scranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. And thank you so much for watching guys. If you have any flavor suggestions and you want to leave them in the comments down below, that would be awesome. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.